To be Israel is to live in the time assigned to your tribe. When you identify yourself by your tribe and your lineage, you move out of the realm of chance and into the realm of divine architecture. The understanding is you discard the tribe, you discard the anchor, and the law becomes nothing more than meaningless words. But you're not just living in a month. You should be exercising the spiritual function of a being in a tribe on the same wavelength and then the same, I'm missing the word I'm looking for, the same frequency, that's the word I wanted, the same frequency as spiritual time. All right, there's a lot more to say on this, but I wanted to end it here because what does this ultimately leave us with? It leaves us with the necessity of finding your spiritual tribe. And your spiritual tribe is your primary responsibility within the nation and within the heavenly kingdom and within the sovereign architecture of Yah's people, Israel. Israel is not just a biological reality, it's a spiritual reality. And if you are grafted in, not just biologically, but also spiritually, more so spiritually, then that begs the question, what is your tribe? What is your tribe?